Good morning, good afternoon, whatever your time zone frame is. Hope you everybody having a good weekend. Thank you for watching. This is Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. In this channel, it's all about craft and craft things, and we have a different playlist where you can find your favorite craft to learn. So before we start unpacking this, let's hit the subscribe button, the like and comment if you like this video, and the notification bell for other videos. Okay, for upcoming video, I usually try to do 3 videos a week. Okay, so and welcome. It's free to subscribe. Okay, so welcome to the channel. Let's get started. So listeners contacted me about this Etcokei electric yarn winder. So that would be great, man, because sometimes you get tired of winding so many yarns, especially the specialty yarns, you know, the Hanks ones. So let's unpack this. Let me open it because I haven't opened it. Let's see what we got over here. So we got here the cord to plug it. We got the tension, what it seems to be the tension for the yarn. We got the winder. Oh, this is a big one. Okay. We got a screwdriver with 2 screws. We got the instructions, and we got the main body of this. So let me put this in here. So let's see. The first thing that we gotta do is put this over here. This has some notch over here, and here it is where you should lock it in. So let's put it in. This is to fasten. Okay, here it is. This is the what you use to attach it to the table. But first we're gonna do this, I guess, with the, let's see where we'll put this. Yeah, these should be up here. Okay, let me see. So I only need 1 screw. They gave me an extra one just in case you lose one. Let me show you right there. That's what I'm putting. You attach it over here. Okay, let me get 1 screw. Okay, hopefully it won't fall out of my hand. So I'm just trying to do this. Okay, voila. Yeah. That's it. And then this over here, let me put it this side. This over here, you put the yarn around here and you insert it through here, and this will, you know, hold the yarn for what it seems to be in the instructions. Now I'm gonna attach it to the table. Let me move the table. Trick cord. And the electric cord goes in the back over here. That's where it goes. You insert it there, and then you attach. Let me see if I can. Hold on just a second. As you can see, it has an on and off button. Okay, I'm attaching it to the table with the attachment. Make sure it's secure firmly. Okay, and now I'm gonna move the camera because we're gonna see it in action. Okay, be right back. That's better. Okay, I have a small space, so I can't do much. So I'm gonna use this 10-pounder because I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that these can hold up to 10 pounds. I mean 10 ounces, 10 pounds. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it from the center. This is a Premier Yarn Super Saver Jumbo, which is 10 ounces. We're gonna put it through the notch, through both notch. It has two. This one, and then we're gonna do this one. Oh, I'm gonna check the connection. Okay. Oh, it started. Hold on. It did start. You have to pull some of the you gotta keep, and you can do it slowly. It turns to pull from the arm to see if it will. If it has to pull too hard, it won't do it. You can speed it up. Nope. It cannot have that tension. Let me see by putting it very close. It's kind of weird. Okay, I put it close so it won't come off. You're seeing it in action. Yeah, I'm sorry about my table. Boy, this thing can whine. This is in maximum speed. Okay, this stopped because it had a knot. Let me put it back on. Go. So folks, take a look at that. Let me take it out of the, here it is, folks. You got a nice big cake to celebrate birthday. So this is a game changer because it's easy to work like this with the cakes. I like the cakes. And the machine, obviously, you have to have it in a stable place, and also you gotta apply some tension, and sometimes you gotta untie toward the end. You gotta lose all the yarn so it will, it won't stop and they won't do no how you say it, no knots on it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Here is Etcokei. Okay, and it's a great addition. I love it. The fact that it helps you with the manual cranking. It will be great. I'm assuming that it also helps you with the Swift. Okay, I don't have any yarn to put on the Swift. That's what I cannot give a demonstration, but I highly recommend this, especially if you suffer from arthritis. This came at a nice time, and it's a great blessing to have this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.